Here I am at Round Top Antique Fair. It's a 2-week show with lots of things going on. Let me show you. This is the 237 highway, and this actually goes through Round Top, and there are 20 miles worth of different tents and shows going on. Right here is the Arbors. This is the show I'm involved in. Next door is the Halls. And then you can see a couple shows up this way. The Arbors is actually one of the original shows, and you can feel that this is kind of a hub, and a lot of people end up here. The actual little town is about, I'd say, a mile, maybe not even a mile, and it's the cutest, sweetest little town. But the shows are big, could be like maybe 5 miles apart on this 20-mile stretch of shows. So this is the Arbors show, and you can see all the different tents. You can also see that a lot of people bring their RVs here and what one of them just told me, they are really carnies. This is like the real gypsy life, and it's pretty cool. People are very friendly, very nice. You can see there's cowhides. This is an art tent, and we're gonna walk up to the fashion tent. So once you get through the first tent, you can see it just keeps going and going and going. Lots of furniture. I don't see a lot of antiques in this show, but I love all this handcrafted wood. So yeah, look at this menu. This is pretty much what I'm running into here. So I am doing the keto diet, but wow, amazing. Yeah, want a dog? Here's one of my friends, and this is what she does. She has this great old Airstream, and just pull up right here, don't ya? Yay, come see her.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you? Here's one of my new friends.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and
That's
I love all this.
Thank
I'm
you,
so
thank you,
attracted to it. It's so beautiful.
Thank you. How
Yeah,
are you?
I'm great. Now for me, since it's my first show, I am in this building, which is the Hall. Okay, so far there's lots of good things about my location. Number one, it rained so hard yesterday, they all got flooded out and lost all their electricity. The other thing is the bathroom, the restaurant, and the bar are in here. I don't know, why is this a bad location for the newbies? Here's my African friend's booth. He's still unloading, I guess. And then I am in here, and you will see, here I am. This is my booth. Oh, they put my name up even. And the restaurant is still setting up. Okay, several things I've learned. You don't need to be here right at 9. Yeah, the other thing is you don't need to be here right at 9. The other thing is the nature here is so incredibly beautiful. It's as beautiful as the people, because the people are so friendly. I may get an RV next time to enjoy this part of it. Giddy up, come see me at the Arbors if you're in town. I'm Catherine Story. Welcome to my world.